And it's lovely.
I love jokes. Absolutely delicious.
Foxes, hedgehogs, a lot. I used to get there. One thing I felt sorry about retiring for.
What did you do?
I was the rector.
You were the rector. Wow.
I unfortunately mistimed my retirement because they got married a few months afterwards.
Oh.
But the night they came to tell us that they were getting married and would I marry them, I said, well, we've got some news as well. And,
oh no. It's bad timing, wasn't it?
But you could still do that, couldn't you?
could do, but
It's all with me, isn't it?
I'd love to have done a wedding.
Yeah. It's very nerve-wracking, trust me. They always say don't work with children and animals, and they are so right. The most stressful thing ever.
Yeah, because
It is when you've got rafters and somebody's expensive wedding rings attached to your bird.
Yeah.
I read about one last year where the bird just went straight up and
just sat there.
in a roof.
Yeah.
Not a lot you can do about that, is there?
Not fast enough, apart from wait for it to come down.
So beautiful.
That's what I'm doing.
It's gorgeous, isn't she? You can give her a little tickle. She likes being tickled down by her ears there, very gently. She doesn't mind. She's doing really well, isn't she?
We had a lovely experience with owls a few weeks ago at Abbey Farm. Two of them were flying during the daytime hunting.
Oh, lovely. What sort of owls were they?
Barn owls.
Owls, yeah.
But, about an hour they were.
Fantastic.
Yeah. I kept seeing what I couldn't understand was I kept seeing them with things in their talons, but never ever saw them eat anything. I kept sort of going on posts and things with things in their hands, but in their feet rather, but never actually saw them eating them.
Maybe they just downed it in one.
Yeah, they might have done it, you know, while we weren't looking at.
When was that?
Abbey Farm, it's Flitcham.
When? A few weeks ago.
Yeah, it was about 10 days ago.
Wasn't the last time we went?
The week before.
Probably about 3 weeks ago, I should think.
Very late.
Yeah, it'd been quite a wet night. But, we've got a couple of little owls that we see quite regularly in Cressingham as we go that way. I had, when I was younger, much younger than Drew is, I had we lived in Wales and I had visions of being a falconer. But, I had all the gear but I never quite got there.
Oh.
I had a bit of a stronger calling, so...
Oh no.
What?
It feels nice and warm actually.
Might need to wash your
Don't
trousers.
worry.
Sorry about that.
This is not a wedding dress.
Don't even think about it.
No, don't go. You can't go. You stay there. Strange, isn't it?
It's nice to see somebody holding a bird that's actually got confidence.
Yeah. Well, I think that's why she's quite happy.
A few years ago I had a sabbatical and we went to the